G'day there, Craig from Fully Air Conditioned here. Today we're going to go through the cause of the most air conditioning failures, the most cause of breakdowns, the most cause of poor performance. And it's a real simple one, but it's often overlooked and people start looking elsewhere for the problem. But the problem is generally filter. So yeah, the biggest thing that will cause issues in 90% of cases starts with the filter. So a clean filter gives you energy efficient operation, ensuring the system performs at its peak performance and gives you great heating and cooling. So yeah, today we're going to simply just go through cleaning a filter on a ducted air conditioning system in a domestic situation. So yeah, keep watching, thanks. So the first thing we're going to do is just turn the air conditioner off. Okay, so we're just up on a ladder and this is our filter. I've let this go for quite some time to purposely be able to make a video. So yeah, our filter's pretty filthy. And you can tell you've got a lot of build-up of dust on the actual grill and the filter's blocked. So the filters are generally in the ceiling. This one here just comes down. It has a screw at the end here and you just rotate it and it unscrews. Then the filter panel hinges down and the filter actually slides out the back here, and yeah, you can see how dusty and dirty it is. Yeah, and it's quite dirty. You can see the dust coming off. It's pretty gross. But actually what we'll do, we'll take the whole filter panel out. So these types of filters, you should just be able to slide it forward and push it up and then turn it, and then we can take absolutely everything outside and give it a good clean. Okay, it's also important to think about the area where you're going to clean your filter down. You definitely don't want the water and all that muck that's in the filter washing down the storm water and then going into the rivers and the creeks. So where I'm washing it here, we've got a paved area and then it just runs off onto the grass. So that's going to be absorbed into the grass and the dirt and the muck will stay there. It's very important. So I'm going to clean the filter now. I've just come outside, I've got a tap, a hose, I've got some mild detergent, and I'm just going to wet the filter down, put the detergent on it and go about cleaning it. And I'll show you a good test to see how dirty a filter is to actually hold it up to the light and see how much light you can see through it. So this is the filter, and I'm just going to hold it up to the sunlight, and as you can see absolutely no sunlight through that. So this is absolutely putrid, this filter, it's filthy. Right, so first up we're just going to wet the filter down. Get a bit of moisture in there, then give it a hit with some mild detergent. Now if your filter's really dirty and greasy, sometimes it's good to walk on the filter and that'll foam it up. It'll break up all the muck and the dirt and make it easy to wash out. So I'll do that now. And you can see that starting to foam up. So now we're going to flip the filter over and then hose it out against the wall. Okay, so now I've cleaned the filter, and I'm just going to hold it up to the sunlight again, just so that you can see the difference. So, way more light you can see through that, and that's heaps better. This filter's actually falling apart and starting to disintegrate. So this actually needs replacing, and I'm going to do another video on that. I'll show you how to replace your filter. Okay, all we're going to do now is put the filter back in, and I'll do it now. So we've got the frame of the filter, and that just goes back up inside and then slots in. Once that slots in, then we slide our filter in. Make sure you've got the hole for the screw around the right side, and the filter just slides up inside, just like that. Hinges back up and screws in. This filter's still a little bit damp, but it's not going to matter. We've got the heating running at the moment, so it's going to dry pretty quickly. So that's as easy as it is, changing your filter. You don't need someone out to do it. It's quite an easy task. It's something you should be able to do yourself. Just make sure you've got a sturdy ladder. If you're not good on a ladder, you know, maybe ask your son or daughter or next door neighbour if they could come and do it for you. Yeah, you should be cleaning your filter every 3 to 6 months, and you should be replacing your filter media, that's the grey stuff in there, every 3 years. It's the only thing that's protecting the air conditioner, and if the air conditioner coil gets blocked up, then you're going to get big problems and an expensive repair to get someone out to actually clean that. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hello, what are you looking at? Are you looking at my filter? Even you like my videos.
You only need to remember one name. Keep the winter chills away, tell the summer heat no way. Fully air conditioned.